Hello everyone, my name is Mukeem Hashmi and in this video I am going to tell you the 5 best free video editing softwares in 2020. These video editing softwares come with no bullshit. That means that is absolutely free. They won't tell you to add the watermark, and after you done editing and when you try to export it, they just say that you have to buy the paid version in order to export. None of that bullshit. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. But first, I make weekly content around video production and how to make money using videos. So if you are kind of into that, subscribe to this channel. You won't regret it. So the first editor is Shortcut. Shortcut is absolutely free. It comes with no watermarks and or anything else. So the features of it is it's a pretty advanced software and it is compatible for Windows, Linux or even Mac. So the shortcut is good for regular tasks, like you can do color grading in it, you can add transitions in it, you can cut the footage. So I would suggest that you can even create your YouTube videos with Shortcut. So I'll provide a link in the description so you can download this software. The one con of this software is that the interface of it is, it's little complicated as compared to the other softwares, but it's good. It's good for normal tasks. So Shortcut is great. And one more thing, it supports 4K resolution. That is pretty rare in free software. So if you care about that. So the next in our list is OpenShot. It is also free, 100% free. It comes with no watermark and it is compatible with Mac, Windows or Linux, all three. It is rated one of the best free video editing softwares in 2020, and it comes with unlimited layering system. And the interface of OpenShot is pretty easy, that even beginners can use. It comes with unlimited layering system. You can add transitions to it, and it's pretty much good for a beginner as it supports every interface, every window, and it supports color grading, and you can do pretty much normal tasks quickly with it. But be aware that it lags sometime. If your system is not that high end, it will lag. So keep in mind, if your system is slow, you can just go with OpenShot. The third software in our list is VSDC. This software is only available for Windows users, and there is a paid version of it and there is a free version of it, and free version is good enough to do all of the tasks, all of the basic tasks that you want to do on a daily basis. It supports color grading, it supports color correction, it has audio effects, it has video effects, it has blending modes, it has filters. So the free version of it is good enough to do day-to-day tasks. The next in our list is iMovie. iMovie, I started video editing with iMovie when I have MacBook Air. So I learned video editing with iMovie, and it's relatively good software because it supports 4K rendering. It has simple interface, simple drag and drop interface. And if you are kind of getting into the Final Cut Pro, so I would suggest the first step is iMovie. And it supports, and let's just say that you are a normal YouTuber and you just want to edit your videos with a good quality, then iMovie is for you. iMovie is only for iOS and Mac users. Of course, it is made by the Apple, and it has all the features like normal video filters. It supports 4K rendering, it has good transitions, it has simple drag and drop interface. So if you are a Mac user, iMovie is the way to go. And the last in our list is Adobe Premiere. Right now this software is for free and it is launched by the Adobe, I guess, in 2019, and it's good. It has a mobile app, and if you're looking to edit your videos quickly and share on your social media, this tool is for you. You can edit your videos, trim, cut, and add some simple transitions, and you will pretty much ready to export your video in 10 to 15 minutes in Premiere Rush. I don't know till when it will be free, so let's just use Premiere Rush if you are kind of busy person and you need to do stuff fast. So those were top 5 free video editing softwares in 2020. And let me know what kind of videos editor you end up using after watching this tutorial in the comments down below. And if you need any kind of tutorial with any of these video editing softwares, just let me know in the comments down below. And if you like this video, just leave a like, and see you in the next one.